These are the blue elevators here at the Delta Chelsea Hotel in downtown Toronto. Let's see which one it is. I think it's this one.
Yeah.
This? We're gonna go to 26.
Look at this. I like this a lot.
You're 26.
Yes.
G.
Door close.
Works, yep. It's actually unusual for a Schindler. So you don't see them too much where the door close button actually works.
Well,
These are Schindlers from 1990. I'm pretty sure the alarm is hooked up to the telephone line because there's no phone button. These are push to talk underneath the alarm button.
yeah.
So a good look at the fixtures. You got a TV screen up there. These are nice.
Oh yeah. That was a nice ride for sure. Smooth, quiet.
Although I think the only things that were replaced are the buttons. That's all they replaced. There it goes, and that's it.